In this video, I will tell you how to create an AI talking avatar for free in 2 minutes. Please watch this video till the end to know the easiest and quickest way to make an AI avatar. Let's start step 1. Create your avatar. Go to Leonardo AI and create an avatar of your choice. Click Create Account, then I am whitelisted. Then click on AI Image Generation. Here you enter your prompt. I will generate with this small prompt. A girl with suit and long hair. I will paste in the description for you all the links and prompts. Now we have our avatar. I will select this one and download it. Step 2. Create a voice for your avatar. Go to Eleven Labs. Sign up with Google if you don't have an account. Now here you can select any voice of your choice. I will go with the default settings, and here you can enter the text for your avatar. Then click Generate. Download it once it's ready. Voice for our avatar is also ready. Let's move to the last step. Step 3. Create your talking AI avatar. Go to DID website. Create your free account. You will get 20 credits on sign up. Now, click on Create Video. You can select an avatar from here also. I will upload our own avatar from Leonardo AI. Click on the Add button and upload your avatar. On the right side, click on Upload Voice Audio and upload the voice we have generated from 11 Labs. And click Generate Video. It will take 1 credit to generate. Now here is our talking avatar.
Unleash the power of our cutting-edge technology to generate realistic, captivating speech in a wide range of languages.
That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for existing videos. Thank you.